Today, I'm going to show you how to boost Google Ads with ChatGPT callout extensions using a super simple workflow that can save you time and help you create stronger ad assets faster. Callout extensions are one of the easiest ways to highlight key benefits, standout features, and extra reasons someone should choose your business. And when you use ChatGPT to generate them, you can get a full set of ideas in seconds instead of staring at a blank page. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical AI and advertising tutorials. All right, let's jump in. The first step is to open ChatGPT. You can use the web version or the app, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, you want to give ChatGPT a clear prompt so it knows exactly what you need. The prompt you'll use is, generate 10 Google Ads callout extensions for your product or service, highlighting benefits. For example, if you run a plumbing business, a service company, a coaching offer, or an e-commerce store, just replace that part with your own business type. The more specific you are, the better the results will be. After you send the prompt, ChatGPT should give you a list of callout extension ideas. At this stage, don't worry if they aren't perfect. The first draft is just a starting point. What you're looking for is a mix of benefit-driven phrases that sound useful, relevant, and easy to understand. These should quickly tell people why your ad is worth clicking. Next, refine the results. This is where the quality really improves. You can ask ChatGPT to make them short, under 25 characters, because Google Ads callout extensions need to be concise and punchy. Shorter phrases are easier to scan and usually perform better because they fit the format more naturally. You can also tell ChatGPT to make them more persuasive and action-focused. That means turning generic phrases into stronger, more direct ones that create urgency or value. For example, instead of something vague like high-quality service, you could ask for faster response times, free expert advice, trusted by locals, or same-day booking. Instead of just listing features, you want callouts that communicate real benefits. Think about what your customer cares about most. Is it speed, savings, support, convenience, trust, or results? Use that angle in your prompt. You can keep refining until the callouts match your brand voice and ad goal. If you want more premium positioning, ask for a professional tone. If you want more sales-focused language, ask for stronger conversion-driven wording. If your business is local, ask for location-friendly callouts. If you offer a service, ask for callouts that emphasize reliability and fast turnaround. This flexibility is exactly why ChatGPT is so useful for ad copy. Once you have the final list, copy the callout extensions you like best and paste them into your Google Ads account. From there, you can add them to your campaign assets and start testing which versions work best. It's always a good idea to create multiple variations so you can compare performance over time. Some callouts may attract more clicks, while others may improve your overall conversion rate. And that's it. The process is really that simple. Open ChatGPT, ask for 10 Google Ads callout extensions, refine them to be short and persuasive, then copy and use them in your campaign. This is a fast, practical way to improve your Google Ads workflow and come up with better ad assets without wasting time. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.